This John L. Scott, Salem property video is presented by Jodie Ginsbach. Seller will contribute $10,000 toward buyer's closing costs. Great 1,900 square foot home in Lexington Estates. Low maintenance yard and easy to care for. Open concept with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Primary bedroom leads out to the backyard. Fully fenced for privacy. Close to park, schools and easy access to I-5. Don't miss out on this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Jodie Ginsbach at 503-349-8529.